Hi, I'm Russ Garrett, and you've reached maximum rate of climb. Today we'll start a discussion about mastering the various intelligent flight modes while flying your DJI Mavic Pro drone and using the DJI GO app. The first in this series is the point of interest mode. It's a relatively easy to use and set up mode, so it's a good starting point. While you're here, I hope you'll comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Now let's go. The point of interest mode allows you to select a point of interest, then the controller will automatically fly a circular pattern at a speed and diameter you choose around that point until you exit the mode. This nearby water tower in Suffolk, Virginia is a good location for my video. There's a large cell tower due north of this water tower. I used the distance tool in Google Maps to determine the precise distance for obvious reasons before attempting this flight.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Note, my return to home altitude is set to 75 meters, which is 246 feet. Pay attention to this setting. Even if your preferences are set to imperial measurements, this parameter is metric. 246 feet is well above any obstacles that I would encounter in this area. Now I'm going to maneuver precisely over the center of the water tower before entering the intelligent flight mode. I previously determined that the water tower is about 160 feet tall, so I'll approach at a height of 225 feet. I've turned my drone about 30 degrees, slowly approaching the water tower. The cell tower is behind me as I continue to approach the water tower, pivoting the camera to look straight down. You'll notice that I have my Go 4 app set to display grid lines and diagonal lines for this type of precision flying. It's important to be as accurate as possible in establishing the center of the point of interest. Now tap the controller icon. Now you've entered the Intelligent Flight Modes menu. We'll swipe left to get to the second page of available modes. Now press the point of interest icon. Since we're already centered on the water tower, just press Record POI. Now I need to set the radius at which we will fly around the water tower. I'm using the right joystick and pressing down to move away from the center of the water tower. Watch as the radius increases the further I move away from the center. As you can see, I'm taking my time here to get this right. This is why I started my flight with a fully charged battery. Once I'm happy with the radius, I'm going to descend 85 feet to an altitude of 140 feet before starting the flight. I descend by using the left joystick and pressing down. I've been flying now for a little over 7 minutes. That leaves me with about 12 minutes of flying time. I'm satisfied with the settings now. Time to hit apply. I'll now select the direction of rotation and the speed. The altitude and radius are now set. If I don't do anything, the drone will fly in a fixed circular pattern until it runs out of power. I can modify those settings during flight by using the controller joysticks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video to be helpful.